Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. Today, I'm going to answer a question: how to download Google Docs to your device. Whether you want to work offline or need to share a document in a specific file format, downloading it gives you a local copy with maximum flexibility. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Docs app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. On the homepage, find the document you want to download and tap on it to open. Once you're in the document, look for the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner. Tap on those to bring up a drop-down menu. Scroll down the menu until you see the Download option and tap it. The document will start downloading immediately. After it's finished, you can find the file in the Downloads or Documents folder on your device. That's it! You now have a local copy of your Google Doc that you can access anytime, even without an internet connection. So the next time you need a local version of a Google Doc, remember how easy it is to download. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tricks to help you manage documents like a pro. Thanks for watching.